कुछ चीजें आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट नहीं, आउट ऑफ पर्पस बनती हैं, और उन कुछ जगहों में से एक है प्राणी पेट सैंक्चुरी बैंगलोर। ये बस एक पेट सैंक्चुरी नहीं, ये उन सारे एनिमल्स का घर है जिन्हें कोई अपना घर नहीं देना चाहता। आज हम जिस जगह पे आए हुए हैं वो काफ़ी स्पेशल है, और वो स्पेशल इसलिए नहीं है कि ये अमेजिंग प्लेस है, वो स्पेशल इसलिए है बिकॉज इस प्लेस के पीछे एक पर्पस छुपा है, और आज उस पर्पस को हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। तो चलो आप चलते हैं। यहाँ के सारे एनिमल्स रेस्क्यूड एनिमल्स हैं, और अगर आप एनिमल लवर हो तो ये प्लेस आपके लिए मस्ट विजिट प्लेस है।
Okay, so right now you are in a session called hoofed animal session. Okay, so any idea what is a hoof called? HOOF.
प्राणी पेट सैंक्चुरी काफ़ी एजुकेटिव तो है ही, लेकिन इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव जो कि आपको सोचने पे मजबूर कर देगा आखिर हम कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं एनिमल्स को।
Rescued one. Okay, rescued one in the sense, surrendered one in the sense. You see his tail. Okay, you see his tail, no? So this tail, it is not how long it can be. So in pet stores, what people used to do is they used to close the gate without knowing the tail is outside. Okay, then they latch it with the tail and then it gets cut off. The barks and branches are gonna be in this color. Okay, that's why they'll go stand on this bark and they'll go camouflage with that. Okay, they're not gonna move here and there. Okay, because this animal here, they are all called arboreal animals. They live only on tree trunks and tree trunks.
Full happy, satisfied.
Tortoise lives only on land. Okay, if you put a tortoise into water, they're gonna be sink and die. They'll all sink and die because they have something called as a dome-shaped shell, and their legs is not gonna look like this. It's gonna look like an elephant-like legs. Okay. So this guy is called as a terrapin. I heard about this something called terrapin. You never know about this animal. Okay. Before knowing about this animal, still there are many people who just keep it in pet stores and sell them as turtles. Okay. They never know their habitat also as well. Okay. So. Okay, so this terrapin here, you see the snails on top of them. So with the help of the snail, they can also crawl on land, and with the help of the webbed feet, they can also swim underneath the water. Okay. Humans are, horses can stand and sleep for about like 8 hours. Okay, it is also common for you people like how you are all standing and sleeping right now. Yes, no, huh? Okay, great. Okay, you see this white one here? White one here is about like a day and a half old, day and a half. Okay, he's a newborn baby here. Okay, so this is how they all been born out outside. Okay, they have fur on their body, they have eyes open. This gabbar followed each other for about like 4 kilometers. Because of a smell, ponies just follow themselves. Okay, and on the next day morning we saw gabbar standing in front of the gate, and then once we opened the gate, he just came running. It didn't go elsewhere, he just ran straight to each other. Okay, then we came to know that they both were couples. We just left them together.
This place is open 365 days, और यहाँ पे एक बार आना तो बनता है।
Okay, you can all just gently touch it from the sides of the body, no touching them from the head or from the neck. white color. Oh, you've seen only white color actually.
Yeah.
Don't touch him. Go touch him. Come here, come here. Go on, really fast. Oh, stand up, please. Be careful when you walk, okay?
This is so amazing, guys.
सो गाइज फाइनली हमारा टूर ख़त्म हो चुका है और आज मुझे इतनी सारी चीज़ें पता चली एनिमल्स के बारे में जो मुझे पहले पता नहीं थी. इट्स अ प्लेस जहाँ पे आपको एक बार ज़रूर आना चाहिए फॉर एम्पैथी टू अंडरस्टैंड एनिमल.
A rabbit or a hair in my hand? Rabbit. How do you tell it is a hair and how do you tell it is a rabbit? Then hi, Tarapan. See, he's all enjoying it right now. That's why he's all putting it there. I'll give it to everybody. Pa.